Want to share your Lorex security system with family or colleagues? This section will show you how to quickly add a user to your Lorex account using either the Lorex Home app or the Lorex Secure web portal. First, ensure you're the account owner or have admin privileges. Then, log into your account via the app or secure.lorex.com. Navigate to the Manage Users section, usually found under Settings and Account. Here, you'll find the option to Send Invite. Enter the new user's email address, select their permission level, and send the invitation. The invitee will receive an email with a link to accept. They'll need to create a Lorex account if they don't already have one. This simple process allows you to grant controlled access to your Lorex system, enhancing your security coverage. Choosing the right permission level is crucial when adding a user to your Lorex account. Admin provides full access including live feeds, recordings, settings, and user management, best for trusted individuals. User offers view-only access to live feeds and recordings, suitable for family members. Guest provides limited, often temporary access. As of 2025, Lorex offers custom permissions, letting admins tailor access to specific cameras or times. This grid shows how different roles have varying access levels. Lorex uses end-to-end encryption to secure your data. For optimal security, encourage new users to enable two-factor authentication after accepting the invitation. Remember, invites are revocable at any time. Regularly audit user permissions to ensure continued security. As of June 2025, the Lorex Home app supports up to 10 users per account.